Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we will be talking about one of the most popular and for some afraid authorities when you are doing business in Mexico, the SAT. Don't worry, don't be afraid, the SAT is not making reference to Satan. So let's get into it. Hello, my name is David Acosta. I'm a CPA in Mexico and I will help you to understand how this institution works in Mexico. The SAT means Service for Tax Administration, but because for its initials in Spanish it's called SAT, and in Mexico we will be referring always as SAT. The SAT is an institution created by one of the highest ranks of the public administration in Mexico. The highest ranks that the government of Mexico has in the executive branch are called secretaries. The secretary or ministers in other countries. So one of the ministries, one of the secretaries in Mexico that is called Secretary of the Internal Revenue and Public Credit, but because of its initials are SHCP, this secretary manages all the money that the government as its federal level has to see what to expend and how many incomes they will generate for making all the resources be applied correctly. So this secretary, the SHCP, creates another institution in order to focus all the activities and resources about collecting taxes for the taxpayers. This institution that will be in charge of collecting all the federal taxes, well, mainly the federal taxes, is the SAT. The SAT will be in Mexico like the IRS in the United States. The Internal Revenue Service in the United States will be almost the same as the SAT in Mexico. Obviously, I mentioned that the SAT collects mainly the federal taxes, but it can, in some special cases, collect and help to the states to collect their taxes. The SAT has its own law, but for making this short, the SAT will help to communicate all the rights and all the obligations that the taxpayers have to fulfill, to present, to pay to the government. So the SAT will be the institution that we have to contact in order to pay our taxes. If we have any question, we'll let to the SAT know our question. If we have to present anything related about taxes, will be the SAT. The SHCP that created the SAT will have as a central activity to decide how the money is spent in the country, and the SAT will manage to collect the money, the taxes. So I think that would be the difference between both of them. But anything related to obligations and forms and anything related to taxes will be referring to the SAT. And the SAT mainly collects the federal taxes. There are different federal taxes, but the mainly federal taxes are the income tax and the value added tax. We will be referring all the federal taxes and some state taxes in the future videos, so if you don't want to miss them, please stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. And if you liked this video, please let me know in the comments and give it a like so we can start this channel of knowledge with the most positive way. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Ciao ciao.